Okay, now we have the oral test of science. Javin, ready? We start from the first question, Felicia. How can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
Insects help carry pollen from one anther to another flower, making the key of pollinations.
Okay, good. Praise. Please hold the microphone. Yeah. What is the function of stomach? Javin, it's enough. Enough.
So it's like when we eat something, it transfer to our esophagus, to our stomach, and the stomach start digested the food.
Okay, good. Marco, what adaptation do predator have?
Um,
Stop it.
Wider vision, sharp teeth, poison,
Don't help. Sharp teeth, poison,
sharp teeth, poison. Wait,
anything that animals that you can see as a predator used to catch the food, catch their prey.
um,
They have the sharp teeth. They have the what did you say before?
strong jaw.
Strong jaw. Okay, yeah, it's enough. Javin,
Yeah,
why we should doing a balanced diet?
because the balanced diet contain variant food that make us healthy.
Okay. Calves.
Huh?
Why do plants is in snowy places survive?
Uh, because some plants shapes like corn and make the snow fall down.
Only that? The
Yeah.
adaptation of the snowy plants? Just because they have the corn shape? How about the how about the leaf?
Oh, you don't know.
No. Calves just take a turn. Okay. Next question. How can insect is the important things that help the plants to reproduction?
Insect take the pollen grains to the stigma.
Sit properly, Javin. Javin, it's enough. Sit properly, Javin. Okay? Say it again.
The insect take the pollen grains to the stigma and help the flower reproduction.
Okay, good. Next question, Javin. What is the function of stomach?
Stomach help to keep the food from the with it.
Only to keep?
I think yes.
Okay. Marco? Why do plants in snowy place? How do plants in snowy place survive?
They have a trick bar so doesn't get cold.
They have
A trick bar uh, to get warm and doesn't get cold.
okay. Praise. What adaptation do predator have?
Sharp claws, sharp teeth, strong jaw.
Okay, good. Felicia, why we should doing a balanced diet?
Because a balanced diet contains of essential food and giving us energy and help to maintain our body weight.
Essential food. Essential food. Next, just take a turn. What adaptation do predator have?
Strong jaws and claws,
Okay.
run quickly and blending with surrounding.
Yeah. Good. Next, praise. Why do plants in snowy place survive?
Some plants just shed their leaves to this prevent snow just staying on them for a long time.
See, that's good. Marco, how can insect is the important thing that help plants reproduction?
Insect help transfer pollen from male part to female part.
Okay, good. What adaptation do predator have?
Sharp teeth, camouflage, strong jaws, and run fast to catch to catch prey.
To catch the prey. Okay, good. Hofes, what is the function of stomach?
Stomach stomach make the food mix with the digestive juice.
So, next. Only that?
Yeah. That my
Next
answer.
question. Why we should doing a balanced diet?
Balanced diet make us healthy and preventing us from sickness.
Okay, good. Javin, how can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
Because the insect help pollination from the plant. Without a plant and without the
Insect.
insect,
Yeah.
the the plant cannot pollination.
Okay, I see. Marco. Okay, Marco. Why do plants in snowy places survive? How do plants in snowy places survive?
They have a trick bar to
A thick bar.
a trick bar to stay warm
Thick,
and
not trick.
thick bar stay warm and doesn't get cold.
Okay, doesn't get cold. Separate thick coverings. Okay. Okay, praise. How can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
Insects are important because they can reproduce the pollen. If without insect, they will stop produce.
Can you say it again?
Insects are important because uh, they reproduce the pollination. Without insect, they will stop reproduce.
Okay. No. Oh yeah. Okay. Uh, yeah, Felicia. What is the function of stomach?
The stomach produces the digestive juice to squeeze and charge the food to mix it.
Okay. Okay. I think that is all for our oral test today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. First question. Chen Rich, right?
Yeah.
How can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
Plants help to share pollen from male parts to other plant, and insect help pollination.
Okay, good. Kenos, why we should doing a balanced diet?
Because if we do not have a balanced diet, it can lead us to diabetes and heart disease.
Okay, good. Celine, Vanessa, what is the function of stomach?
To churn and squeeze the food and mix it to the digestive juice.
Digestive juice. Okay, correct. Clara, why do plants in snowy places survive?
Not all plants live in the snowy place. Uh, they have some tree live in the snowy place. Some trees say they live to survive in the snowy place.
So, how do the plants in snowy place survive?
Uh,
What do they have? The shape or the feature?
some trees shaped like a cone. Their leaf like a needle, so they can reduce water loss.
And Leticia, don't say like that. What adaptation do predator have?
Blend in surroundings, a sharp sense of hearing, better vision to spot prey.
Yeah, I think it's enough.
Okay.
For the next question, how? No, just like the turn. Okay. How can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
Uh, because it transfer pollen from the anther to the stigma. and help to pollinate.
Okay, good. Clara, what is the function of stomach?
The function of the stomach is the food that we eat is be squeezing and turns and will go to the small intestines.
Clara, Salim Vanessa, what adaptation do predator have?
Strong claws and jaws,
Yeah.
run quickly, camouflage.
Okay, enough. That's enough. Okay, Kenos, for the fourth question, why? How do plants in a snowy place survive?
Because they have a thick bark, branches are twist shaped like cones that all the leaves to reduce water loss.
Very good. Chandrich.
Yes, sir.
Chandrich? Chandrich. Okay. Chandrich. Sorry. What adaptation do predator have?
They have strong claws, strong jaws, sharp teeth, and run fast.
Okay.
Some predators have camouflage too.
Okay. Yes. Just take a turn. It's okay. Just take a turn. Chandrich. Just take a turn. Next question. Uh, what is the function of stomach?
To squeeze and cheers the food,
Okay. And mix it with?
the other food.
You mix it with what kind of juice in the stomach?
Mm,
You know there is a juice in your stomach, right? What is the name
Yeah.
of the juice?
asam lambung,
Digestive juice.
just this juice.
Okay, yeah. Next. Kenos, how can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
Because they take the pollen from the flower and put the pollen to another flower.
Yeah, to another flower. Okay, very good. Next, Celine. Uh, okay, why we should doing a balanced diet?
A balanced diet contains essential food,
Nutrients
nutrients
needed for
needed for our body
and to prevent.
and to prevent
Ish. Okay, next. Why should we do a balanced diet?
to make our body healthy, and we need a balanced diet when we are go to the puberty.
For?
For to make our body strong.
Okay, strong. Okay, number 4. Leticia. Okay. How do plants in snowy places survive?
They have
say.
they have um the the trees have a shape like a cone and needle-like leaves to reduce water loss.
Okay, good. Last question. Why we should doing a balanced diet?
To make our body grow healthily and strong.
Only that?
Uh,
Yeah, I think only that. Clara, how can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
the plants is used to the plants is transfer the pollen from the one flower to another flower. It's help plant to reproduction or it's
To
called
pollinate.
pollination.
Yeah. How do plants in snowy places survive?
The shape of tree like a thick bark.
Like a cone.
Yeah.
Next. They have a thick bar. For what?
For a leaf in the
called,
condition.
yeah. Why should we doing the balanced diet?
Because it can help us grow healthily during puberty and cannot lead us to diabetes or disease. And grow healthily.
Why do plants in snowy places survive?
Because the plants in the snow place, the shape is like corn, and then if there's a snow, they shed the tree so they prevent lost water.
Okay, thank you. You can go to the class now. Okay, so please hold this one. We start from the first question. Kasi, how can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction? What is the insect can do to help plants reproduction?
It turns its pollen grains to transfer to
Sudah?
to the male flower.
Okay. Princess, please hold the microphone. Yeah, why we should doing a balanced diet?
Because it's our health, so we can not overweight and not get heart disease.
Good. Josephine, what is the function of stomach?
The function of stomach is
Yeah.
to mix the food with the digestive juice and break it.
Okay, very good. Haris, how do plants in the snowy places survive? What is the plant? What is the thing that plant have so they can survive in the snowy place?
Some root to take the water.
Only that? What adaptation do predator have?
Long teeth,
Sharp teeth.
sharp teeth, cow,
Cows. Claws. Only that? What is the function of stomach? Come on. Cannot. Paris. Why we should doing a balanced diet?
to make to make healthy and strong.
Josephine? What adaptation do predator have?
Predator predator have strong claw, teeth, high speed, and camouflage.
Okay, very good. Princess. How can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
Because it's important make the pollen, to make the pollination so they can help the flower to produce.
Okay, Kasi. Move a little bit here, Kasi. Yeah. Why do plants in how do plants in snowy places survive?
It because in the Arctic place it have a snowy place and it have a water cold, so it in the trees have shapes like a cone.
Shapes like a corn. How about the bar? How about the leaf? Do you know?
The bark is the thick bark
Yeah, it's a thick bar. Okay, good. Very nice. Next question. What is the function of stomach?
to absorb nutrients and carry the blood
To absorb nutrients.
nutrients and give us energy.
Okay. Princess? What adaptation do predator have?
The predator have sharp claws, sharp teeth, and can run very fast.
Okay, running very fast. Very good. Josephine? How can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
Because they can bring the pollen into and from enter to the stigma.
From flower to another flower, right? Okay, good. Aris, how can insect is the okay, so what adaptation do predator have?
Sharp teeth.
Sharp teeth.
Sharp teeth.
Teeth. Okay, next. No, only that.
And run fast.
Run fast. Okay, very good. Edward, why we should doing a balanced diet?
Make body healthy. Body healthy.
Only that. Why do plants? How do plants in snowy places survive?
They keep water. They keep water to. They keep the water if have snow.
Only that. Okay. How can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
The insect take a pollen to another flower.
Good. Josephine, why should we doing the balanced diet?
So you can grow healthy, strong, and you have enough energy.
Okay, good. Princess, what is the function of stomach?
Its functions when you eat and start digestive, absorb nutrients when it makes a digest system.
Okay. Kasih, what adaptation do predator have?
It's have strong jaws, strong claws, and sharp teeth, and run fast.
Why we should doing a balanced diet?
So it's can our body is healthy and we get enough energy.
Okay. Thank you. That is all for our oral test today. Okay. To start from the first question, Jackson, please answer this first question. How can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction? Please hold the microphone.
To grow healthily.
No. You know, insect help the plants to reproduction, right? So how can insect help? How can insect is the important thing that help plants reproduction? Insect help
Insect help to the plant
to carry.
to carry.
Okay, we skip this one first. Okay, Filbert, why we should doing a balanced diet? You know balanced diet, right? A balanced diet. Why we should doing a balanced diet? Okay, Filbert, we skip this one first. Okay, it's okay. Next, what is the function of stomach?
To justification,
To what? Come on, Carol, no. Okay. Steve, how do plants in the snowy places survive?
some trees have a thick bark to protect themselves from extreme cold.
How about the shape of the trees? Usually looks like?
Cones.
Yeah, very good. Cartel, what adaptation do predator have?
Camouflage and run fast.
Wrong face?
Run fast.
Run fast. Okay, run fast. Wrong face. Okay, next question, Cartel. How can insect is the important thing that help plants reproduction?
Because insect travel the pollen
Transfer, not transfer.
transfer the pollens to the 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 to the
I will ask later. I will ask.
to the
To where? To another?
to another plant and
I know you will get the turn of the question later.
and
And help the
and help them to 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 to
Okay, I see. Enough. Steve. Why we should doing a balanced diet?
balanced diet also include the right among different type of food
So why we should doing a balanced diet?
to make us healthy.
Only that?
Yes,
Okay. Jefferson, I almost forget your name. Okay, Jefferson. What is the function of stomach? Oh, you just skip this one, yeah. Okay, what adaptation do predator have?
camouflage
Yeah.
have can run fast.
Okay, good. Hilbert. Wow. Okay. What is the function of stomach? You know stomach, right? Where is your stomach? Yeah. What is the function of stomach?
Stomach is
To break.
to break food
To break food and
and
okay, it's okay. Next, Jackson. Okay, Jackson. How do plants in a snowy place survive?
they they have a thick fur for from cold extreme the shape like a cone
Okay, good. What is the function of stomach?
to break food from mouth.
To bring food from the mouth. Then what is the process inside your stomach?
The process
The food will be mixed with.
mixed with the
There is a juice.
there is his choice.
What?
There is his choice.
No, there is a juice.
A
There is a
juice.
juice inside your
Yes.
stomach. What is the name of the juice?
Yes.
Okay, next. Gilbert. What adaptation do predator have?
Predator have sharp teeth,
Sharp teeth. Next.
sharp teeth, and sharp teeth,
You have
and
any?
long, strong teeth and long.
Okay, Jefferson. How can insect is the important thing that help plants reproduction?
What, sir?
How can insect is the important thing that help plant reproduction? Insect can help. What insect can do? You just said you can answer this question. How can insect can help the plant reproduction? Steve, how can insect can help the plant reproduction?
As insect and bird travel one flower pollen gets stuck to their body. This help plant to get pollen from another to the stigma.
Okay, good. What is the function of stomach?
The function of stomach is to break the food and mix it with digestive juice.
Digestive juice.
Add
Okay, good. It's good. One more question. Why we should doing the balanced diet?
we should doing it so our body become healthy and strong and overweight.
And overweight?
Yeah.
You want overweight?
No, and not ever overweight.
I think you want overweight.
No.
Steve, what adaptation do predator have?
Camouflage, sharp teeth, run fast.
Okay, good. What? Why should we doing a balanced diet?
Because make body strong and healthier.
Only that?
Yeah.
Why do plants in snowy? How do plants in snowy places survive?
Because have a shape cone and in the good condition.
Okay. Filbert? Yeah, Filbert. How can insect is the important things that help plant reproduction? Why do plants in snowy places survive? Okay, Jackson. Why we should doing a balanced diet, Jackson?
It it because it can make we we become strong and healthy for a daily life.
Okay, one more question. What adaptation do predator have?
Sharp teeth and run quickly.
Okay, very good. Thank you, everyone. That is our activity. Okay, please hold this one. How can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction? What insect can do to help plants reproduction? Okay, next question. What adaptation do predator have?
Predator have adaptation.
What is the predator have? It's just like the example of predator is. Can you mention one example of predator? What is the function of stomach? You know where's your stomach? You know what is stomach? Why we should doing a balanced diet? Okay, maybe you move the microphone to Kelly first. Okay, Kelly, how can insect is the important things that help plants reproduction?
Insect carry pollen from one enter to another.
Okay, good. What adaptation do predator have?
They have sharp sense, teeth,
Sharp sense, sharp teeth.
and blending with surrounding.
Okay, good. Why do plants in snowy places survive? How do plants in snowy places survive?
Because have special place like thick bark and can stay alive in cold condition.
How about the shape? How about the shape of the tree? Looks like? It's a features that you can see in the snowy plant. The shape looks like a, it looks like a triangle. So, but it's not triangle. The shape looks like
triangle.
cone.
Oh,
The shape looks like cone. Okay. What is the function of stomach?
stomach squeeze and turns the food to mix it with digestive juice.
Digestive juice. Okay, correct. Why we should doing a balanced diet?
Balanced diet used for essential food um,
And help to
and help us
prevent
to breathe.
to prevent what kind of sickness that you can prevent by eating the balanced diet, by doing a
To
balanced
help us maintain the body weight.
diet? Okay, good. Okay, easy. What adaptation do predator have? Okay, yeah, I think this is all for our oral test today.